Are you maximizing your business communication strategies? In the world of business, communication is more than just a string of words. It's the lifeblood that fuels every operation, every decision, and every interaction within your organization. The importance of effective communication in business cannot be overstated. It's the bridge that connects your business goals to your team's actions, and it's the catalyst that sparks innovation and growth. But let's face it, communication in small businesses isn't always a smooth sail. The landscape is often fraught with challenges. There's the constant struggle to ensure that everyone stays on the same page, the pressure to respond swiftly to evolving business environments, and the challenge of bridging geographical and cultural divides. These hurdles can make effective communication seem like a Herculean task, especially for small businesses. Yet imagine a world where these challenges are no longer barriers, but stepping stones to achieving greater business success. A world where your team, no matter where they are, can collaborate seamlessly. Where information flows effortlessly, and decisions are made faster and more accurately. This isn't just a utopian dream, it's a reality that's within your reach thanks to the power of technology. In the digital age, technology is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's revolutionizing the way businesses communicate, turning challenges into opportunities and transforming the way we work. From instant messaging apps that enable real-time collaboration, to video conferencing tools that bring remote teams closer together, to project management software that keeps everyone on track, technology is reshaping the communication landscape in remarkable ways. And the benefits? They're enormous. Improved efficiency, increased productivity, better decision-making, stronger relationships, and ultimately, a more profitable and successful business. So if you're ready to take your business communication to the next level, it's time to embrace technology. It's time to harness its potential to drive your business forward, and to create a robust and dynamic communication ecosystem in your organization. Discover how technology can transform your business communication. Consider this. What if technology could take your business communication to the next level? In the rapidly evolving business landscape, technology plays a pivotal role in business communication. It's no longer just about sending an email or making a phone call. Technology has revolutionized the way we communicate, making it more efficient, collaborative, and customer-centric. Think about the efficiency that technology brings to the table. Gone are the days of waiting for snail mail or faxes. Today, with just a click or a swipe, messages are sent and received in real time, making communication swift and seamless. This speed of communication accelerates decision-making processes and increases productivity, ultimately driving business growth. Now let's talk about collaboration. With the advent of technology, geographical boundaries have blurred. Teams across different locations can collaborate on projects using platforms that offer real-time editing and feedback. Video conferencing tools bring people together virtually, fostering team spirit and enhancing productivity. This level of collaboration would have been unimaginable without the intervention of technology. But it's not just about internal communication. Technology has also transformed the way businesses interact with their customers. Social media platforms, chatbots, and customer relationship management systems have made it possible to engage with customers on a more personal level. They provide businesses with the tools to respond promptly, resolve issues swiftly, and maintain a constant dialogue. This enhances customer satisfaction and builds long-term relationships. Moreover, technology has also empowered businesses with data-driven communication. Analytical tools provide insights into customer behavior, preferences, and feedback, enabling businesses to tailor their communication and offerings. This targeted communication strategy not only improves customer engagement, but also drives sales and growth. So you see, technology is not just an add-on, it's an integral part of business communication, streamlining processes, enhancing collaboration, and fostering customer relationships. Let's unravel the process of integrating technology into your business communication. Integrating technology into your business communication is easier than you might think. This statement rings true, especially in this digital age where technology advances at a lightning-fast pace. Let's break down this process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, we need to choose the right tools. There are a plethora of options available, from email and instant messaging applications to video conferencing tools and project management software. The key is to select the tools that align with your business needs and objectives. For example, If your team is spread across different time zones, a tool that supports asynchronous communication like email or a project management platform might be more suitable. If real-time collaboration is crucial, consider using video conferencing tools or instant messaging apps. Next, implementation. This is where you introduce the chosen technology to your business operations. Be strategic about it. You might want to start with a pilot program, introducing the new tools to a small group first, before rolling them out to the entire organization. This approach allows you to address any issues or potential roadblocks on a smaller scale, ensuring a smoother transition for all. Once the tools are in place, it's time for training. Never underestimate the importance of training your staff on how to use these new tools effectively. Conduct workshops, webinars, or even one-on-one sessions. Make sure everyone understands not just the how, but also the why. Why are these tools important? How can they help improve productivity or streamline communication? Understanding the benefits will motivate your team to embrace the technology. Now let's talk about continuous improvement. The world of technology is ever evolving, and so should your approach to using it for business communication. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of your tools. Are they still serving your needs? Are there new features that could benefit your business? Is there new technology that could better serve your purposes? Be open to change and stay updated with the latest trends. As we wrap up this segment, here's a pro tip. Don't forget about the human element. Technology is there to facilitate communication, not replace it. Encourage your team to use these tools to enhance their interactions, not to hide behind screens. Promote a culture of open and transparent communication, supplemented and supported by technology. In conclusion, integrating technology into your business communication is not about having the latest gadgets or the most expensive software. It's about strategically choosing, implementing, and continuously improving the tools that best meet your business needs and objectives. It's about enhancing communication, fostering collaboration, and ultimately driving business success. Remember, the key to successful integration of technology is patience and persistence. Embrace the journey, learn from the challenges, and keep pushing forward. Every step you take brings you one step closer to a more efficient, effective, and successful business communication strategy. Still unsure? Let's take a look at some businesses that have successfully used technology to enhance their communication. Our first example is Bread and Butter Bakery, a small, family-owned business located in the heart of Michigan. They were struggling with communication, especially when it came to coordinating orders and deliveries. They decided to implement a cloud-based communication system, which allowed them to seamlessly connect with each other, their suppliers, and their customers in real time. The result? A dramatic reduction in missed orders and late deliveries. In fact, they reported a 20% increase in customer satisfaction within the first 3 months alone. Next, we have Green Thumb Landscaping, a budding business in sunny California. Their challenge was managing a team that was often spread across multiple locations. They turned to mobile communication apps that allowed for instant messaging, video conferencing, and real-time updates. With this change, they were able to coordinate their efforts more efficiently, resulting in a more cohesive team and happier clients. They saw a 30% increase in productivity and a significant reduction in miscommunication-related issues. Finally, let's look at City Heights Consulting, a remote-first consultancy firm based in New York. With team members spread across different time zones, they found it challenging to keep everyone on the same page. They decided to use an integrated communication platform that combined emails, chats, and project management tools in one place. This not only improved their internal communication, but also made it easier to collaborate with clients. They reported a 40% improvement in project timelines and a marked increase in client retention rates. These are just a few examples among countless success stories out there. Every business is unique, and the technology that works for one may not work for another. The key is to understand your communication challenges and find the technology that best addresses them. As you can see, the rewards of using technology in your business communication are worth the effort. Let's quickly recap the steps to integrating technology into your business communication. We began by understanding the need for effective communication in business. It's the backbone of every successful enterprise, fostering strong relationships and driving growth. Then we delved into the role of technology in business communication. We discovered how it's not just a tool, but a game changer, enabling real-time interaction, streamlining processes, and breaking geographical barriers. Our step-by-step guide walked you through the process of using technology for business communication. From choosing the right tools to training your team and monitoring progress, we covered it all. The case studies we explored brought to life the transformative power of technology in business communication. They showed us how businesses, just like yours, have leveraged technology to enhance their communication and reap impressive benefits. Now it's your turn. Equip your business with the power of modern technology and watch your communication thrive. Start your journey to improve business communication today.